Hi, this is P R Sundar. Welcome to Dalal Street Week Ahead. So far, 3 weeks completed in July. Last week, I said Nifty will be trading between 10,400 to 11,200. And I also said Nifty will find huge resistance in the region of 10,800 to 10,850. And I also said if 10,850 is crossed, the markets may go to 11,200 in the coming weeks. Last week, the markets were hugely volatile, but it was hugely volatile between 10,550 and 10,850. Within that 300 point range, markets were very highly volatile. Even on Friday until afternoon, I think around 2 p.m., Nifty was still trading below 10,850. But I think the last 1 hour, there was a huge move. Reliance has shot up nearly 75 rupees. And HDFC Bank shot up ahead of its result on Saturday. So the huge move from these two stocks helped the Nifty to decisively cross the 10,850 resistance level. Why I said 10,850 will be the huge resistance? Because that was the top made in the last few weeks, plus the 200-day moving average is there between 10,800 and 900, and a very important Fibonacci retracement is also there. But now, since the markets have broken decisively, I am expecting 11,200 in the next few weeks. Banking stocks have been weak, but IT stocks have taken up the leadership. Infosys has shot up nearly 30% in the last 2 weeks. Wipro shot up 18% in just 1 day. Remember, in the last 2 weeks, the Bank Nifty high was 23,000, but now it is below 22,000 only. Even that 1,000 point goes up, that alone will contribute about 300 points to Nifty. Assuming that other stocks are not falling or not rising, if the Bank Nifty shoots up 1,000 points, the Nifty can easily reclaim 11,200. Saturday, the HDFC Bank result came. I am not a good expert in dissecting the results. I am still learning. But profit was better than expected. Net interest income was better than expected. So I think it's an all-round good performance. But it seems that NPA has increased. So we have to see on Monday how HDFC Bank will be reacting for its results. Coming week is a very important week for results. So there are so many key companies will be declaring the results. On Monday, ACC. On Tuesday, Bajaj Finance, Bajaj Finserv. On Wednesday, Bajaj Auto. And then L&T, ITC. And the most important result is Axis Bank and ICICI Bank. But Axis Bank comes during the weekday, but ICICI Bank comes on next Saturday. So why I say Axis Bank and ICICI Bank are very important? So that is because Nifty will be touching 11,200 or not. It depends on the performance of the Bank Nifty. The performance of the Bank Nifty will be based on the banking stocks results. So right now the market setup is looking very bullish, but of course there can be some bad news from the corona front, and corona infections is still keep increasing both in US and in India. Whenever market goes up, people say corona vaccine hope. Whenever market goes down, people say coronavirus is getting bad. Right. So, but my point here is that the market has broken out and it may consolidate or it may fall a bit, but the long-term outlook is bullish. Right now, you are watching me. Behind me, you can see a lot of rain, and usually Chennai receives lot of rain only in the northeast monsoon, which is from October to December. But this is a southwest monsoon, and which we are in the rain shadow region. So only Kerala only receives lot of rain in southwest monsoon, but we are in the rain shadow region. Sometimes we get little bit rain, but this time we are getting lot of rain. And meteorological department has announced that so far in India, the rain this year is 10% more than the average rainfall. Understand, India is still an agriculture economy. The rainfall is a very, very major factor for stock market. And because of corona, everybody is focusing on corona and lockdown and other things. And people are totally neglecting this major factor, very good monsoon. So, if the monsoon is very good, agriculture will be very good, rural economy will pick up, and lot of FMCG stocks and two-wheeler stocks and many other stocks which are related to rural economy are likely to do well going forward. And there are still many technical analysts claiming that Nifty fair value is 5,000. Okay, I tell you, in Mumbai, the apartment prices fair value for me is only 10 lakh. But nobody want to sell for 10 lakh. Everybody quoting for 10 crore. So they are not realistic. And as a trader, we go with the flow. We don't try to predict the long term. But long term, logically speaking, everything has to go up only. It cannot go down. So for this week, many of you must be expecting me the range. And I'm giving my range for next week. The downside is 10,600. The reason is, during the last week huge volatility, the market took support around there. So 10,600 should be the support, and resistance can be 11,300. In fact, in the monthly option, highest open interest in call option is at 11,500. So by the end of this expiry, the Nifty can go up to 11,500. There is a possibility. But for next week, I find that, as I said earlier, there will be a huge resistance between 10,800 to 10,900. The same way, I am expecting some huge resistance between 11,200 and 11,300. So that is why I said the upper end of the range is 11,300. So next week, my range is 10.6 to 11.3. And a disclaimer, please remember that all these are my views, and my views can always go wrong. Please do not take any position based on my views. Please consult your financial advisor. Thank you for watching.